We are starting with 2 cans of cherry pie filling. Take a second to smooth that out just so we have a nice layer of that cherry pie filling right here on top of our baking dish. Perfect. Now we're gonna slide that over to the side, bring in our bowl, you guys, and right away, I'm gonna take a box of yellow cake mix. I'm gonna pour that right into our bowl. And with that, I have a 1/2 cup of butter that I'm gonna pour right on top of that nice melted butter. Now I have my clean hands here and I'm gonna start to fold in the butter with the cake mix. Now, if you guys wanna use something different, go ahead. I don't really mind it. I think this is the easiest way to get it all spread around, and we're making like a crumbly cake batter here. So I just think using your fingers is the easiest way. You choose. Wow, look at how easy that was, you guys. We are moving right along. So bring back in that cherry pie filling that you have. And now watch, I'm gonna put this crumble all on top of this cherry pie. And I love when there's like some chunky crumbles, some littler ones. But you guys, this is going to be the easiest cherry crumble pie you have ever made. And man, is it going to be delicious. So look at that. All that butter is mixed in with that cake mix. And you know what? What the heck? I'm just gonna go ahead and dump that all right on top. That is it. How easy was that? Look at that. We can see the layer of that cherry pie filling, and then we have that cake crumble right on top. This is the best way, you guys. 3 ingredients, won't bake the bank, and wait until you see how it turns out, you guys. It is going to be bon appetit. Oh my goodness, our cherry crumble cake is all done, you guys. It looks absolutely perfect. Look at how golden brown that crumbly top is. Ooh, the cherry pie filling kind of seeping through. Looks so good. And I love how you can just plop this. I don't know, are you guys gonna eat this in a plate or on a bowl? I'm gonna choose a plate for now, but if you had a bowl, oh, and it would be good topped with maybe even some vanilla ice cream. I'm just gonna scoop here out. Look at that. Oh, we have the cherry coming through with that crumble. Looks so good. I'm gonna plop it right here on our plate. Nothing more. And that butter mixed in. Ooh, that's gonna make it so, so good. Let me try. Here. Well, amazing. You guys, I've tried many variations of this cake and different ways to make it. This is by far one of the best ones. All right, Erica's gonna come over here, my helper for the day. It's a little bit hot, baby, so let me do the mom blow. If you had to pick a pie filling, what would you pick? Cherry, blueberry? What's your favorite? You like cherry?
Yeah.
All right, well, tell me what you think of this. Give it a try.
It's hot, but good.
She says it's still a little bit hot, but she's gonna take it. You wanna have the rest of it? Okay, you did a good job. We'll make sure she eats her vegetables and her fruit later too, don't worry. All right, you guys, I hope you love this cake. Let me know if there's any way that you would switch it up. I am always down to hear your advice and your thoughts and the things that you think would do better. And yeah, we're gonna scarf on this and we'll see you guys later.